of us know that in this state, we have done well. Mr. Presidential candidate, your party, they don't have members of National Assembly running election here. They don't have anybody. So don't put your money for anybody here. Don't do it. Because it will be money in the trade to the ocean or whatever. It will not work. Focus on your own election. All the other people, not one. Not one. They will not win one seat here.
We can say follow Mudo. Nigeria follow Mudo. Nigeria.
So, and I like the way you are going. You are not talking. Party is a conveyor belt. Party is a vehicle. Because there's no independent candidate. If there were independent candidate, I'm sure you would have run as an independent candidate. But because there's no independent candidate in our constitution, you must find a vehicle to enable you to sell yourself to Nigeria. If not, I know you as a person. You have all the criteria. You have all the characteristics that will lead this country. You have it. Nobody can deny that from you. You have it. All I pray is for God to give you the strength, to give you the wisdom, and continue to move from one state to the other. Each time, anytime you want to come to campaign in the state, let me know. All the logistic support we will give to you. Listen, don't misinterpret me. All I said, as somebody he has honored to come and commission my project without saying that it's not in my party. It means too, when he comes here for campaign, he needs vehicles to lead him to some local governments or to some senatorial districts. He's a former governor, as a presidential candidate, a very humbled one. As a state government, we will also give him support to go for his campaigns. But I have told him too, the Executive Order 22 and the Executive Order 21. Let me tell you, I saw AIT yesterday. I don't understand where these people get the law. I hear one of these girls or ladies who anchors democracy today, whatever, I don't know. She was reading one of the provisions of Electoral Act that nobody can stop anybody from holding rallies. And she called my name, that one of those governors. I understand the platform. I understand. But unfortunately, she refused to say there's nowhere in the provision of that Electoral Act that says there should be no regulation. Take for example, if you want to use my environment, my father's hall for rally, will you not seek for permission? Will it because they say you should go for rally? You run down to my father's hall because they say nobody can stop you from rally. You just enter. I begin to hold a rally. Is that possible? I don't understand what people say to the public. You want to use a school built by government because they say you should hold a rally. You will not seek permission from the principal of the school or from the headmaster or headmistress of the school. You just, because they say you should hold rally, you go to a school, you begin to do rally, you dirty the whole place, you break all the glasses, then government will come and repair the glasses. Is that what the law says? If you want to hold rallies in primary schools, you must seek permission. You must pay a deposit. So that when you eat rice and you drink pure water and you are going, who will clean it? Who will clean it? The government will come and clean it when you finish your rally. Nobody does that. If you want to use Adoka Mega Center, won't you pay? Won't you apply? People misunderstand the law. I understand what the lady is saying. These are the media they have to say all kinds of things. Now, we have said, you see the flyover, Nobody should go and carry poster and put on this beautiful flyover. If you put posters there, it will deface the entire place. And we must be people that you love good things. So if you want to look at, these are billboards, right? Are they not billboards? Go and pay and put the posters of the person. But you don't carry poster. Look at how we have painted it. Then you go and carry posters and put everywhere because you say you are on the election. Mr. Presidential candidate, tell your people, if I catch anybody, no matter my relationship with you, if I catch anybody putting your poster there, the person will be seeing himself heading to somewhere. This place must be neat. If even our own candidate, governorship candidate too, if I see his poster here, or I see Senator Barinpigi's poster, they will be heading to somewhere. We must be disciplined. Some people will go and open campaign office in where people are living. Then you carry your cars and disturb people who are living there. They don't even have road to pass simply because you are running an election. We must put offices in where offices are supposed to be. So, Executive Order 22, be careful. Be careful. If we catch you, you will pay. So, it's not about anybody. We must follow the rules. We must follow the law.